Hello there. How are you doing? Just as I had heard. Well, I had heard that you had taken ill, my child. I... No, no. No, you are my child, and I am your father. And... No, this is fact. I find your lack of faith disturbing, especially when you know this to be true. Why do you deny me? Yes. Yes, I know I was very absent. I know that I was gone a very long time, but, well, when I left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master. I am sorry, what was that you asked, my child? The master of what? Well, the Force. And taking care of those who have fallen prey to particular afflictions. Yes, much like yours. I have returned in order to see you through this, my child. Now, first things first, I need to check your temperature. Just lift your arm, like so, and please do not be stubborn. It is useless to resist. Don't let yourself be destroyed as Obi-Wan did. Would you prefer I do this the old-fashioned way? No? Are you certain? As I thought. Good. Now, lift your arm. It will be a little cold at first, but, we won't need to keep it there for long. A quick countdown will suffice. There. Is it in place? Perfect. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. It shouldn't take much longer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. Here, by the Emperor. No, it is not so bad. Though the flu is strong with this one. But do not worry, I have just the trick. Plenty of fluids, some nice hot soup, and a cold water bottle compress ought to do the trick. No, do not try to get up. There is no escape. Do not make me destroy you. Just here, you rest, get comfortable. I will put the soup on. And while that is going, let's see if we can't cool you down a bit with a cold compress. Yes, I've got one right here. Let us just place that right upon your forehead. It's cold, is it? I know. It might be a little uncomfortable. Not as uncomfortable as a lightsaber through your middle, but a little uncomfortable nonetheless. C-3PO, turn off the soup, will you? It should be hot now. Now, young Padawan, do not despair. You must recover, and you must get strong for me. What? Why? Well, because deep down inside I care. Of course. I want to see you strong and well. Search your feelings, you know it to be true. Besides, where's the glory in watching some Wookiee version of the flu wipe you from existence when I'd much rather the pleasure of doing so myself? No. That would not do. I will ensure that you survive this. You shall be fine. Though I feel the Emperor does not share my optimistic appraisal of the situation. What? Of course, you'll be just fine. You will be quite all right. But you do not believe me. Oh, you have such little faith. Come, let me check your temperature once again. I'm sure you know the drill by now. Go ahead and lift your arm for me. Let me place this back where it belongs. Alright, is it secured? Now close your arm. Drop it, yes, just like that, good. Keep it nice and secure in the warmest pit of your pit. And let us count down again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Let's hope it's better this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time to take it out. Let's see what we have here. Impressive. Most impressive. Well, take a look yourself if you do not believe me. Yes. Yes, you see how it has gone down already. Now would be a good time for that soup. Bring it here. Doesn't it smell just wonderful? Much better than burning flesh, I assure you. Oh, just some simple chicken noodle. Yes, without the poison. All right. How about this? I will taste it first, just to prove. No! Ah, the soup's gone cold. Here, let me have C-3PO reheat this for you. What? You did not know of his dual function. So much to learn, and I could teach you. If only you would succumb to the dark side. Look. I have even brought you one of the best-selling cookies from the Death Star confectionery and pastry shop. It is called a princess cookie. Now, there's a princess cookie that you can sink your teeth into without remorse, am I right? Oh, sore spot, A little too soon. Oh, I thought a bit of laughter might help to lift your spirits. No matter. The soup should be warm again. Shall I test it again as proof, or... you trust me. For now, yes, well, a tentative truce, but a truce nonetheless. Just a little warm. Let me cool it down for you a little. Now, open wide for the Imperial Star Destroyer to make its landing. There you go. See, not so bad. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And you're looking a little sleepy. Rest is good for such ailments as the one that has you within its grasp. I think that a nap is in order. We can set the soup down for now. I'll just put it aside here. And... I'm sorry. You want what? A story. Okay, well, once upon a time, there was a young Padawan who had contracted some sort of flu. They were all alone, no one to take care of them until their father just happened to appear. And, of course, once he did appear, There were questions about his intentions, but he made it very clear that he was there to look after and care for the young Padawan and nurse them back to health. And so he made them soup. He cooled their fever and took their temperature to make sure that nothing bad would happen to the young one. He fed them spoon after spoon after spoon of soup until he saw those eyes get very droopy. And then he put it aside and told the story to the little child until the child fell fast asleep, much like you have now. Well, good. You should rest up. One day we shall do battle, and I promise I will not go easy on you then. But for now, sleep well and get better soon. Happy May 4th. May the 4th be with you.